Minimum maintenance,
Something easy to train with.
easy to keep clean, to operate.
A company with a reputation.
These are the demands of our customers. And this is the company that meets those demands.
Customers are looking for more value. They have a competitive business by nature today, and so when they make equipment selection, they're looking for not just the price point to acquire it, but the cost of ownership.
Today's cost of ownership means far more than simple utility.
We don't think that people are just looking to replace an oven for another oven. Today they're looking at having the equipment play an integral part in helping them reduce labor, in helping them reduce energy cost, in helping them train more people effectively, faster, helping them produce safer products, and improve the overall presentation and consistency of products.
It's so important that they're listening to the kinds of things that will make it easy to endorse an oven when you have to look at quality product every single day, every single hour, because we deal with short holding times on all of our products, and we have to have something that can give us that consistent quality throughout any given day.
Consistency, simplicity. These qualities are engineered into every Lang product.
Lang prides itself on its computer-controlled oven, for instance. We call it the Purple, and by using the computer, we're able to give the customer the opportunity to pre-program his products into the computer. The computer takes care of managing the whole operation, timing, compensation for changes in temperature in the oven, many complicated things. Externally, it's quite simple.
Each shelf is designed to go off at certain times according to the computer, because it knows that the high shelf in the oven is hotter, the lower shelf is cooler. So it gives you a more consistent bake, and it makes it easier for any person to learn not only how to operate an oven and bake cookies, but the importance of what the baking process is.
I think what our customers would say about us is that we took their situation and we matched our capabilities with their requirements.
We get real busy. We're 24 hours a day. The cooks are slamming them down, picking them back up, throwing the food in and out. And the good thing about the clamshell is that you can fire the food in it, and then you have another order come up. You can open it up, add another product, close it back down. The timer stops while it's open, so it doesn't continue to time the product cooking.
We need a grill that is very simple as far as operational, easy to keep clean, to operate, minimum maintenance, but we also want quick recovery time. And in our operations, we have a 400-200. The left side of the grill is what we call our 400-degree side, and then we have a 200. And when you put a tremendous amount of frozen meat on that grill, we've got to have it come right back up to temperature, and the Lang grill was in test for probably about a month, and it performed perfect.
I think they're out researching the market to find out what makes things better for you so that they can provide it. They're always improving. We've started buying Lang convection ovens probably about 10 years ago, and we've expanded them throughout the whole school district, and every single year there's always an improvement. And they're all little things that really make your work easier.
Responding to special needs with customized equipment is a long tradition at Lang.
As an example, the Cinnabon people came to us some 10 years ago and asked us to develop an oven as well as a proofer to give them the production that they needed.
We have close to 300 bakeries now, and this is the only oven that we use. They virtually built a proofer from the ground up for us that is now spec'd in all of our new bakeries and has been for the last 2 years, and way outperforms both in the quality of the equipment but also the quality of the product. And we did some pretty extensive testing before we made that decision to switch, and now we have switched. If our oven goes down, we're out of business. I can tell you right now that the ovens are the most dependable piece of equipment in our bakeries.
And if you look at how we've tried to build partnerships with Sizzler and Denny's and Cinnabon and Mrs. Fields and some of the many customers that we enjoy business with, it began by really trying to understand what their needs were.
We have two areas in the plant where we build custom product. One takes semi-finished ovens and puts customized controls in them, again, for next day delivery. We also have another area in our plant that is capable of building a complete unit from the ground up, most of the time within 2 weeks. So we can meet the needs of the customer on a very, very rapid basis.
Got a great reputation. The Lang name means quality.
For many years, we have been a well-respected supplier to all segments of the marine industry, from navies worldwide to the major cruise lines such as Carnival, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, Princess, Holland America. More important than cost even to them is that their equipment is durable and that it will stand up to the heavy use and the cleaning rigors they have to use on board.
A major reason for selecting Lang is that even older model stoves and ovens are still supported. They will continue to make a burner, a hot plate, a door hinge, a grill for some of our Lang equipment that is over 30 years of age.
These are only a few examples of how Lang typically responds to customer needs. But the tradition is long-standing.
The company is very rich in its history. Going back to the beginning days where Howard Lang was the first to bring to market a convection oven. It was an electric full-size convection oven. Going way back to the days where he made ranges that served military and government bases as well as Navy ships.
Most customers have heard the Lang name through experiences in the Navy or with chain restaurants where they've seen a piece of Lang equipment that's been around for years. And 20 years later, when everything else has failed, that piece of Lang, often whether it be an oven or a fryer or a griddle, will still be operating.
Almost daily, I get responses from customers that say, you know, your guys' service is absolutely phenomenal.
They have one of the best service departments that we deal with, and there is an immediate response. They follow through, and they make sure the problem is handled all the way through from the beginning of the problem to the end of the problem, and also notify us at corporate of what the problem was and that it has been completed and everything is okay.
We follow up on all incoming phone calls, whether they're a warranty call, out of warranty call, or just an inquiry to locate a service company, up until the point the call is complete. We follow up on all warranty calls with a survey asking how they felt about the service they got, and then make adjustments in our service and the territories that we have according to those surveys. We always have parts availability.
We're extremely knowledgeable about our own products as well as the competitors' products, and that's very handy for when customers need to compare one product to another.
We hear it from customers constantly. All you need to do is go out and talk to a customer, and they will tell you that Lang by far is a high-performance product that delivers consistency of quality of food time and time again. Our company wants our customers to be extremely satisfied with the product decision that they make with respect to Lang, and as a part of that, and it's been our tradition, we want to ensure that they are getting maximum value for what they're purchasing from Lang Manufacturing. There is no other equipment in this marketplace that can perform the way Lang's equipment performs.
Quality service, quality product.
Amazed at how quickly and consistently the products could be baked every single time.
They've done everything they can to support us.
They're very reliable.
It's the only oven that we endorse.
Exactly what we were looking for.
And the oven tells you everything you need to know.
Very happy with Lang.
Lang made it simple.